The doctor-invented WaxRx ear wash system has everything you need for a safe and effective ear cleaning. Prepare to use your WaxRx by removing all contents from the kit box and reading the instructions. Important: do not use the WaxRx on individuals with tubes or an ear infection. Read all warnings. Our deluxe kit contains 1 WaxRx ear washer bottle and nozzle, 3 packets of pH conditioning powder, 1 bottle of earwax removal aid drops, 1 ear basin, and 3 disposable tips. Begin by preparing your ears with the ear drops. Place several drops of WaxRx earwax removal aid drops in each ear and wait 5 to 10 minutes before moving on to the next step. Next, fill the bottle with very warm water and attach the sprayer. It is very important to use very warm water rather than hot or cold. Cold water can cause dizziness or vertigo, and scalding hot water could burn your ear. You may clean your ears yourself or have another person help. We recommend being seated while using your WaxRx with a towel over your shoulder. Attach a new tip to your washer by twisting the disposable tip onto the nozzle. You can cut the tip shorter with a pair of scissors if needed. Place a catchment basin under the ear to catch wash water. Begin slowly. If you experience pain, stop and see a medical professional. You may have a pre-existing problem in your ear. Ear washing should not hurt. You may feel pressure, but if you feel pain, stop. Otherwise, slowly begin increasing the pump action to rapidly pump fluid into each ear. Repeat as needed to remove all earwax. Some users may need to use more than 1 bottle of water to remove all built-up earwax. Others will only need a few pumps. After you've flushed built-up earwax from your ears, it's time to rinse with our pH conditioning powder. Again, fill your spray bottle with very warm water. Empty 1 packet of conditioning powder into your bottle and gently shake the bottle to mix the powder. Rinse both ears with the conditioning solution, using the ear basin to catch the lavage water. Discard your tip after rinsing both ears and discard any remaining solution. Your WaxRx can be used multiple times, just rinse out and dry.